Hello everyone. Let us talk about concyclic points. Points lying on the same circle are called concyclic points. For example, if we have the circle and there are some points A, B, C, D on the circle, then we say that these are concyclic points. There's a very interesting theorem based on concyclic points. Let us look at it. It says, if a line segment joining two points if a line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angles at two other points. So it subtend equal angles at two other points R and S lying on the same side of the line. So these 2 points, they're lying on the same side of the line. And PQ is subtending equal angles at R and S. Then these 4 points lie on a circle, that is, they are concyclic. So these 4 points P, Q, S and R, they will lie on a circle. Now let us look why and how this is true. Why is it a theorem? So what is given to us is two equal angles PRQ and PSQ on the same side of line segment PQ. And what we need to prove is that P, Q, S and R, they will all lie on one circle. We are going to prove this by contradiction. So let us draw a circle passing through 3 non-collinear points, P, Q and R, something like this. So over here, point S does not lie on the circle. There can be another variation of this, where point S lies inside the circle, right? So now, there can be a point M on the circle such that it intersects PS. There can be a point M over here or over here, which lies on the extension of PS, right? So what we can do is let's join MQ. Let's join MQ over here as well. Now, if you notice, since these 4 points P, Q, M and R, they lie on the circle, we can say that angle PRQ is equal to angle PMQ. Similarly, over here, angle PRQ is equal to angle PMQ. Why is that? Because there's a theorem which says that angles subtended by an arc in the same segment are equal. So over here, PQ is the arc which is subtending both of these angles PRQ and PMQ in the same segment, right? But we started with this. This was what was given. PRQ is actually equal to PSQ. And over here, we have seen that PRQ is equal to PMQ. So both of these angles are equal. Angle PSQ is equal to angle PMQ. That is, this angle is equal to this angle, which is only possible if the 2 points M and S coincide. That means these two are actually the same points. So point S lies here on the circle. That means P, Q, S and R, they are concyclic.